If Google Drive is acting slow, not syncing properly, or showing old files and previews, clearing your Google Drive cache can often fix the problem fast. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the cache in Google Chrome so Google Drive can refresh properly. This is a simple fix that works great for anyone using Drive in the browser, and it only takes a minute or two. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Since Google Drive is usually accessed through your browser, Chrome stores a lot of temporary data that can sometimes cause loading issues. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main browser settings menu where you can access privacy controls. From the drop-down, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, find and click Privacy and Security on the left side. This section contains the tools you need to manage browsing data, cookies, and cache. Now click Clear Browsing Data. A new window will appear with different options for removing stored data from Chrome. This is the part that helps refresh Google Drive and clear out old temporary files. In the Basic section, make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. These two options are the most important for clearing the data that can interfere with Google Drive. If you want to stay signed in to most sites, you can be careful with what you select, but for a Drive refresh, these are the key items to check. Once you've selected the correct options, click Clear Data. Chrome will now delete the cached files and site data you selected. After that, give it a moment to finish, then go back to Google Drive and reload the page. In many cases, you'll notice the site loads more cleanly, syncs better, and stops showing outdated information. If Drive still seems off, you can also try signing out and signing back in, or restarting Chrome after clearing the cache. That extra step can help make sure the changes fully take effect. And that's it. You've successfully cleared Google Drive cache in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.